Good morning, all of you. This is Swati. Today we'll start a morning conference call with the technical team. We are looking for a market to open on a flattish note, and the sideways momentum can be seen. On the technical front, we have seen a very good rally from last few trading sessions, and Nifty somehow manages to struggle nearby 21,400 levels on the closing basis, which gives a positive sign on the technical front. Now, going ahead, the immediate intraday resistance lies at 21,500. If it surpasses that level, then more positive momentum can be seen towards 21,600 to 21,670 levels on the high side. Whereas on a downside, the support is first placed at 21,360. Any move below that level will see some sort of a profit booking, and which might drag the Nifty towards 21,300 levels on the lower side. The overall view will remain a positive as long as Nifty sustains about 21,000 psychological mark. Coming towards the bank Nifty, for today intraday purpose, 48,200 is the first resistance level. Above that level, 48,500 levels can be tested on high side, whereas on low side, 47,820 and 47,800 are the two crucial support levels we need to keep eye on it. Coming towards the Fin Nifty, 21,550, 21,620 are the two resistance level we need to keep eye on it, whereas the support is placed at 21,430, 21,380 levels on the low side. Coming towards the stock specific, Ipca Labs looks good on the technical front. We believe that it's likely to continue its rally towards to 1165, so one can go for long position in this particular counter, maintaining a stop loss of 1100. That's it from my end. I request Niro to take a call forward.
Thank you, Swati. On the derivative front, the open interest and the other data, all of those, as I said yesterday, they continue to remain a little negative. One good thing that has happened is after yesterday's brief consolidation, the open interest has fallen by about 6%, which is a good sign. So PCR also has come down from 1.4 to 1.07. And the only real concern now is the VIX. The VIX has now shot up towards the 14 levels, and that continues to remain elevated, even though there is not much of an event that are coming up. So, a higher VIX is going to be a little difficult, going forward. So it has to come down. Once it does come down below the 13 levels, it will be at comfortable levels, and again you will see this further buying coming up. Until then, some sort of selling pressure at highs will be seen. Also, add to that the 21,500 call option that has the highest open interest built up amongst calls, and the PCR at 21,500 still continues to remain below 1. So that is a negative. So all in all, the data is slightly negative, even though getting better, but slightly negative. So we expect further consolidation even for today. We might just see Nifty touch 21,500 and then come down further from there up to the 21,300 mark. So, continue to book profits until, we get a close about 21,500 for Nifty. From the stock specific front, the PSU stocks continue to do well. Even metals did very well yesterday. So these are the two themes that will continue to play out, and we continue to believe some good buying will go on here. So one can look to continue longs in these indices. They will do well going forward. Yeah, so that's it from my side. I'd like to ask the fundamental team to take over, please.
Good morning. IDFC Limited has received RBI note for merger with IDFC First Bank. So positive for IDFC Limited. JTL Industries has approved raising 810 crores via issue of warrants and 500 crores via QIP at a price of 270 rupees per share, whereas current market price is 240 rupees. So this will be seen positively. And also promoters will be putting in 540 crores of money via warrants. So positive for JTL Industries. PNC Infratech has emerged as a L1 bidder for almost 1200 crores of HAM project in Madhya Pradesh. So positive for PNC Infra. One IPO will be opening today, Happy Forgings, and it will close on Thursday, 21st. We have given subscribe rating. Total issue size is about 1000 crores. 400 crores is fresh issue, 600 crores is OFS. Happy Forgings is the fourth largest manufacturer in terms of forgings capacity. It supplies components to OEMs manufacturing commercial vehicles, tractors, off-highway and industrial equipment and machinery. Company has differentiated itself from other listed forging companies by focusing on developing heavier and high precision critical value-added products which are sold to multiple end-user industries. This has translated into them commanding EBITDA margins of 28% versus just 18% for peers. Similarly, ROC is also higher at 24% compared to just 15% for peers. Company's valuation at 38 times FY23 price to earnings appears attractive compared to peer average of 54 times. And thus, we recommend to subscribe to the IPO. We expect good listing gains on Happy Forgings. Thank you.
Good morning. The subsidiary of Devyani Internationals of Dubai, Devyani International DMCC, has entered the quick service restaurants market in Thailand by acquiring a controlling interest in Restaurants Development Company Limited. Restaurants Development operates a chain of 274 KFC restaurants across Thailand and employs more than 4,500 people. So this is positive for the company. On the IPO front, Credo Brands Marketing Limited IPO is opening today with a price band of rupees 280 on the upper end. And the issue size is of rupees 550 crore, which consists of offer for sale by its promoters and other selling shareholders. Also, the company expects enhanced visibility and brand image with the listing of equity shares. Company is launched in 1998 with the brand of Mufti, which is owned by Credo Brands, and it is led by Kamal Kushlani, who is managing director, and he has a vision to redefine the menswear. It has evolved its product offerings over the past few years from only shirts, t-shirts and trousers in the initial years to the wide range of products, including sweatshirts, jeans, cargos, jackets, blazers, etc. It has adopted an asset-light business model where it is engaged in the sale of garments and accessories, and it has outsourced its manufacturing operations as it mainly focuses on the design of the products and ensures multi-level checks to achieve the desired quality. The company has delivered lower top-line growth of 3.5% between FY20 to 23 when compared with its peers. However, it has improved its operating margins over the year and delivered 70% of growth during the same period. If we look at the operating margin in FY20, it was at 10%. Now in FY23, it has improved up to 33%. Also, in Q1 FY24, the performance was muted due to seasonality. However, one can expect healthy growth in FY24. The issue is valued at 11 times to FY23 EV by EBITDA, which is at discount when compared to its peers. Thus, we recommend subscribe to the issue. Thank you.
Commodities team can take over.
Yeah, thank you, Jan. Good morning, everyone. So, one can initiate a buy in gold around 60 to 100 and maintain a stop loss of 61,850. Yesterday also we had witnessed prices edging higher from the support area of 62,000. So the momentum should continue, and one can expect prices to test 62,400 to 500 on upside. Similarly, silver also one can initiate a buy around 70 for 200 to 74,000 and maintain a stop loss of 73,600. On upside again 75,000, 500 is the level we are eyeing to take profits. In metal front, zinc has outperformed other metals, and we recommend to buy around 223 with a stop loss of 221. On upside 226, 227 is the target we are eyeing for. Copper prices are expected to is expected to consolidate from 715 to 724. So one should trade within this range. In crude oil, we are expecting prices to test. In crude oil, we are expecting prices to test 6100, and on downside one can buy around 6,000 and maintain a stop loss of 5920. Natural gas, one can buy around 206 levels with a stop loss of 195. We are eyeing for 215 to 220 on upside. That's it from me. I'll ask Utkarsh to take the call forward.
Thank you, sir. Very good morning, all. In USD and for today's trading session, we are expecting some sideways momentum with a range of 83.17 on the higher side, and the lower side 83.82.99 levels. So if prices comes around 83.16 to 83.18 levels, so one can initiate a short positions with stop loss of 83.25 for the target of 83.01 levels. In Euro INR, one can initiate a long positions in the range of 90.75 to 90.68 levels with a stop loss of 90.49 for the target of 90.99 and 91.10 levels. In GBP INR, if prices breaks the level of 105.35 levels, so one can initiate a long positions for the intraday purpose with a stop loss of 105 for the target of 105.60 levels. In JPY INR, if prices comes around 58.15 to 58.20 levels, so one can initiate a short positions with a stop loss of 58.42 for the target of 57.88 and 57.76 levels. Thank you.